A huge thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Hello. We are about 4 days away from the art market, and today I want to work on quite a few things actually, but I'm gonna start with working on the signage that I need to make. So I need to make a updated price list. I need to print out a QR code and put it in this little plastic thing. Stuff like that. When it comes to art markets, signage and stuff like that is really important, just so people don't feel the need to communicate with you a ton, because I feel like when people are needing to ask how much is this, what is this, blah 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 blah, they tend to choose just not to do that and not buy your product or not approach your stand. So signage is very important. Price list is a must, because having to memorize and repeat the prices for stuff can get pretty tiring. And again, someone having to ask how much it is kind of leads to them not just preferring not to, because if it's a price that they're not willing to pay, then it's kind of awkward for them. So yeah, it's just better to have a price list and let them browse and just, have their own shopping experience without involving you too much. So yeah, I'm gonna make a price list. And like I said, the QR code, and then I want to work on making just some more felt pins, see how many I can get done. Okay, quick sidetrack moment, because April's Patreon stickers came in. So now I have finally all of April's Patreon rewards together, and I'm so happy. Print, sticker sheet, and sticker of the month. The sticker is so big this month. But yeah, sorry. Just wanted to show you guys because I'm super proud of this month's Patreon rewards. So this is my banner for art markets. I wanted to make one finally. Helps with branding, obviously. You won't have anybody asking you what you do or who you are. So yeah, I thought it was a nice little addition to my setup. Obviously, this is like not necessary at all. I just thought it would be fun and cute to make, and I ended up making it huge. But yeah, very happy with my little banner now for my setup. I also got some business cards made because I've just gone too long without business cards. I think business cards are the most important thing to have for art markets, and I never had them because I was being dumb. But yeah, I finally got some, so I'm very happy. But for the contact, I ended up putting my website accidentally instead of my email. So I feel a little bit dumb, but it's fine because on my website I have a contact page. But yeah, I just got a bunch of little business cards so people can take them and have my information. I have my package of stickers that just came in the mail. I get a lot of questions about how do I know how much product to take for an art market. I personally, because I run my online store, I don't order specifically for art markets. I order from my online store, and then I just take my stock to my art market, and then, you know, whatever doesn't sell at my art market, I sell it on my online store. So yeah, that I order based off my online store. And then as for taking stuff to the art market, I just take all my stock because I don't have like a ton of it all the time, if that makes sense. So like the most I will order of one sticker is like 150, you know what I mean? So it's like I don't order in like the thousands or even like the hundreds rarely, so it's not a lot for me to like take all my stock with me. And then as far as like prints and stuff, I usually print out about like 30, maybe 40 of each, and I just take it all with me. It's just, it doesn't bother me. So yeah, that's what my numbers are looking like. But I have this little organizational case from Michaels, because digging through your products when someone wants to buy something at an art market can be just kind of awkward and stuff, because I used to do that. So I bought this because I always see art market people storing their stuff in here. So now that all the stickers are here, I can start packing up. And you know what? I've never even opened this before. There we go. Now I can start packing this up. And yeah. So now because I have all my stickers, I'm gonna work on my sticker display. Your display is up to you. You can do it however you want, however is easiest for you. I like to go to Daiso and get these cork boards. They're really inexpensive, like $1 to $2, and then I just display stickers and sometimes other products on them. It's really helpful. Daiso is honestly like the best place to get art market display stuff because it's really inexpensive and they have cute stuff. So if you have a Daiso near you, definitely check it out for our market stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna arrange my stickers and how I want them to be on here, and then to adhere them I actually use these little poster glue dots, because I feel like stickers don't really grab onto like grainy textures like this very well, and if I ever want to like take them off and like actually sell them, I still can, because the glue dots don't damage the sticker. They do damage the cork board though, so you don't want to move around your stickers too much because you will end up with little patches without cork board. But yeah. Okay, so we are a day before the art market, and I thought I would show you guys what I pack in my art market box, just so you can kind of see what I'll be taking, etc. But firstly, these are huge staples for me. These are both from Daiso. They always have like different size, and now I think they even have like different colors of these mini easels, but I think these are just like a really cute touch to have your price list on or something like that. So yeah, these are always musts for me. Next, you'll want a tablecloth for your table, and I'll talk about my table and my tent and stuff the day of or after, because you guys will see it when I'm setting it up there. But a tablecloth big enough for your table, and preferably also big enough to like cover the like front, so it can like hit the ground all the way down to the front, so it can cover all the stuff you keep underneath the table, like products, your bag, money, stuff like that. So yeah, tablecloth. I also have placemats just in case I want to add some pizzazz to my table. Don't know if I'll use those this time, but you know, these are from Daiso, so just to spruce things up a bit. I just recently got this table from the Target dollar section. The Target dollar section is always gonna have like cute stuff to help you with your display, so I have this little table just to add like some variety and height. I have my QR code that leads to my website like you guys saw, and then when you buy a square card reader, it always comes with this sticker, so I decided to put that in another one of these little clear picture frames, so I'm packing those because these are essential. This is my old signage, but I'll be putting my price list in this little plastic guy now. These are just good to make sure that your signage that you print out yourself lasts a long time, and it also protects against like humidity and rain. So yeah, just a regular like paper pocket. I also have my little sign that says my name on it. This sign is actually from Target. I do struggle to like hang this up and know where to put it because it's kind of small. Don't know if I'll use it this time, but I do have it and I think it's really cute. And then I have a set of like these little wooden crates. These are good for like stuff that's kind of hard to put on display. So for me, it's memo pads. I will normally put like memo pads in these. I have this big one too, just because I think it's cute. It goes with my display, and it's also a way to have like a product that a customer can like grab if they want to, because my stickers and prints and stuff, they're all on display. There's not really anything that they can grab, so whatever you put in here, like a lot of times you'll see people like grabbing it and looking through it and stuff like that. So these are really handy. These smaller ones are from Daiso, and then they also have this size at Daiso, but I don't remember where I got this bigger one. Oh, it doesn't say from where, but yeah, you can find these in a lot of different places. These are what I use to like let my customers carry their product. Their prints will go in like a cellophane baggie, but this is for like stickers, pins, stuff like that. It's a nice, presentable and recyclable packaging that they can use just to like carry their stuff if they got like a lot, especially, so they're not like carrying it all in their hands. So yeah, I always keep these. I just ordered more because I don't know how much I'm going to use tomorrow, but yeah. And then I always keep stuff for like hanging up. So these wooden clips, as you'll see the day that I set up, this is what I use to clip like my prints and just like a lot of stuff to the wire cubbies that I use. And then I have some command hooks for hanging up like decorations or really anything else that I need to hang up. So yeah, I always keep those in here. Command strips also. Zip ties are also very good to have in case you need to secure anything, especially if it's going to be like windy or something. Zip ties very much come in handy. Of course, I'm going to bring my corkboard with all my stickers and these 2 pins up here to display. I also recently purchased some label stickers, so if I have like handmade stuff where each price is going to be different, I will write the price on the sticker and then put it on the bottom of it or something, and you know, that way people can look at the price themselves and they don't have to ask me. So yeah, these are always really handy. I don't think I'll be using them this time, but it's good for like clay stuff, picture frames with original paintings, stuff like that. And then I also recently got these, so if you use the wire cubbies, you can't really display stuff on top of them. So I got these plastic dinner mats to like put on top if I do want to put something on top, and it can like actually be secure. So yeah, these are really inexpensive and they help out with that. And to pack my prints, I honestly was just taking like my paper tray to art markets, but that was really not fun. So I ordered a accordion file holder. I'll put up a picture. It hasn't arrived yet, but it's getting here today. So yeah, that is going to be life-changing for me, but because again, I take small amounts of product to art markets, that is what I'm going to be taking my prints in. Hello, it is voiceover Paloma, and I just wanted to hop on and just kind of guide you guys through these clips. I did get a few clips of the actual art market day. Art market days are actually really hectic, so I did the best that I could, and this day it was also extremely windy, so that's a downside to doing outdoor art markets, is the weather can sometimes be a little bit of a nuisance or a little unpredictable. But yeah, that is my little setup for art markets. In case you needed a little bit of inspiration, I have some clips for you guys to see exactly how I set things up, how I place things. Oh, and also, it was really nice to meet you guys. I got to meet so many of you, and I even got some gifts from 2 of my wonderful, lovely friends. So yeah, that was really fun, and it's always the highlight of my day to meet you guys at art markets and stuff. That's always what makes it so fun. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye. So before closing out today's vlog, I wanted to quickly talk about the sponsor of today's video, Squarespace. So if you don't know what Squarespace is, it's an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website. It is the platform that I have always used to run my website and my online business. They have some really great tools for you to run your online business, like the commerce tool helps you keep track of inventory, orders, etc. Design interface is super beginner friendly, and website analytics help you see how your website is doing. So if you're interested in starting a free trial, you can go to squarespace.com and use my code for 10% off your first purchase.